Hello friends, today we will deal with canonical partition function. Okay, some tricks associated with calculation of partition function. Okay, if potential is given, then how to calculate partition function from a given potential. Okay, basically the general Hamiltonian is given as h is equal to p square upon 2m plus v of q. Okay, then partition function for a single particle system. Okay, z1 is equal to 1 upon h to the power f 2 pi m upon beta under root power f integration minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus beta v d of q. Okay, we'll discuss the terminology associated with the expression where beta equal to 1 upon kt. F is the degree of freedom for the single particle. I mean, single particle means suppose particle is moving in one dimensional system, so degree of freedom will be 1. Suppose particle is moving in two dimensional system, degree of freedom will be 2. For particle is moving in three dimensional system, degree of freedom will be 3. For a single particle, let the system have n particle. Then what will the partition function? As it is a classical system, Zn equal to Z1 power n. Okay, where what is the mean? dfq is the element, line element for 1D system, area element, and that means dfq equal to dx into dy. For two dimensional system, for three dimensional system, it will be dx dy dz. Okay, now we'll discuss some examples. Okay, partition function for a classical ideal gas. Okay, classical ideal gas means potential should be 0. Okay, now z1 is equal to 1 upon h to the power f 2 pi m beta under root power f integration minus infinity to plus infinity, putting potential as 0. This is volume element, this is volume element, that means this is your volume element. Okay, from minus in potential is 0 and dv is the volume element, and this term will be volume, and z1 will be your 1 upon hq 2 pi m beta power 3 by 2. This is one volume element because we are dealing with three dimensional. Suppose for 2D system it will be area, and for 1D it will be length element, length. Z1 equal to 2 pi mkt under root by h power 3 into v, volume. Z1 equal to v upon lambda q, lambda is equal to h upon 2 pi mkt under root. Now we'll discuss second example. Okay, this question is from CSIR net. Okay, v of r is equal to alpha x square plus y square. Find the partition function for single particle. Okay, here v of r is function of x and y. That means the motion is in two dimension. So degree of freedom will be basically 2 for single particle. Now we are applying the formula 1 upon h to the power f 2 pi m beta under root power f integration minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus beta v dfq. V is equal to alpha x square plus y square. Okay, now in this expression your df will be dx into dy because this is a two dimensional system. Now I am now separating the variables in terms of x and y, so this will be expression, and this is known as a Gaussian integration. This is a Gaussian integration, this is a Gaussian integration, and the result of Gaussian integration is here written as here, from minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus ax square dx is equal to pi upon a under root. So this integral will change to pi upon alpha beta under root, pi upon alpha beta under root. Now your result will be 1 upon h square 2 pi m beta into pi by beta, beta equal to 1 upon kt we know. So z1 equal to 2 pi square m square k square t square by h square alpha. Okay, now for a harmonic oscillator potential, for harmonic oscillator potential v of x is equal to half m omega square x square. Find the partition function. Now for single particle, we are dealing with single particle system. Z1 is equal to 1 upon h ro power f 2 pi m beta under root power f integral minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus beta v d of q. Here potential is half m omega square x square. Okay, I have written half omega square as alpha here. That means your integral becomes minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus alpha beta x square dx. Okay, that means z1 equal to 1 upon h 2 pi m beta under root, because it's single particle, f is equal to 1 and dimension is 1, a single particle and in one dimension also. So e to the power alpha beta x square is equal to pi alpha beta under